Imagine you just got off work, you're walking to the bus stop to catch a ride home, when out of nowhere, police grab you, throw down your property, and hog-tie you without explaining anything. Well, that's exactly what happened to this man. This is Michael. He's a hardworking, law-abiding citizen and resident of San Luis Obispo. On July 7th, 2022, he was approached by officers Magana and Perlette.
Hey, excuse me. Is your name Mikhail? No. What's your name, sir? Go stop. Go ahead, stop.
Don't touch me.
Okay, hold on.
What's your problem, man?
Drop your bike.
What's your problem?
Drop your bike.
What is your problem?
Drop your bike.
What is your problem?
Drop your bike.
My name's not Mikhail.
Drop your bike.
Why are you guys...
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Why are you guys touching me? Stop! If you can't wear you there,
Put your hands
they
on your
started
back.
touching me.
Put your hands on your back.
You guys leave me the fuck alone. I will, okay, explain it to me. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
Yes.
Explain it to me, man.
Explain it.
Beat me up then.
We're not gonna beat you up.
Beat me up then, man. I didn't do anything. Somebody get this on video.
Go to the wall.
Stop, man. Shut up. Stop fighting. Please go off a roof.
Stop fighting.
Without even attempting to investigate or communicate a reason for detention, they go hands-on, grabbing his wrists and taking him to the ground. Were you aware why they were grabbing you?
Not one bit, yeah, not one reason. As far as I knew, I'd been completely abiding by the law.
Were you confused?
Confused, scared was the biggest emotion at the time. Violated, I felt very violated at the time.
Magana and Perlette both used pain compliance techniques with knees in the back and wrist locks to subdue and hog-tie Michael.
I will relax if you stop trying to break my arm. I need my arm to work. You understand that shit?
Sir, roll to your left side there. Let me put your left hand behind your back. There you go.
Okay, just listen. Ow! Fuck! You need to work to fucking do that. You need to get my shoulder. You have to do that.
Just tell me what's going on.
Right.
If he would have at any moment just said to me, I need to detain you to ask you questions for my investigation, I'm detaining you, you know, I would have been like, okay.
As it turns out, Michael was not the guy they were even looking for.
That they thought I was somebody different. They thought I was a different Mikhail, somebody in the area that I guess they have issues with.
Instead of realizing their mistake and releasing Michael, they choose to charge him with taking a police officer's weapon and resisting arrest.
Like, he says I grabbed his baton. Magana says I grabbed his baton.
Oh, wow.
And I thought I was holding onto my bike, so I remember like letting go of something and being like, I'm sorry, you know. And so they were gonna try to charge me with that, but the judge didn't find findings for that.
Okay.
And he was like, no, so he threw that out, so they can't charge me with that anymore.
The second charge is still pending. This man was held in jail for 18 days before being released with an ankle monitor in lieu of bail. This whole ordeal has upended his life, causing him to lose jobs, contributing to his housing situation, and causing depression. Michael is trying to communicate with the public defender about his case before his trial on March 29th, but he isn't able to get a hold of him. If you'd like to join Michael and I on March 29th at the San Luis Obispo Courthouse, feel free. Be sure to go to Michael's channel to see the full body cam video. The link will be in the description.